Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Evernote to your Insightly CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Evernote to your Insightly CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe managing your projects in Evernote and your customers in Insightly CRM, by linking them, they can share information. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Insightly CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Insightly CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Evernote to Insightly, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on User Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this User Settings menu here on the left. And in order to link your Evernote to Insightly CRM, you're going to look for this button right here called User Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the User Settings menu, and you just want to scroll all the way down. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this blue button here called Connect to Evernote. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next, Evernote's going to open up a login screen. I'm already logged into Evernote, so it immediately brought me here. So they're asking if I want to authorize Insightly CRM to access my account. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you choose the correct time frame. So you can give access for 30 days, 1 week, 1 day, or 1 year. If you're going to be using this quite often, then I would probably suggest 1 year, so that way you don't have to keep connecting. All right, once you're ready, go ahead and click on the green authorize button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into Insightly. So you're going to see this pop up here. Your Evernote integration was successfully set up. And then also down here, it's going to say Evernote access is enabled. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Evernote to your Insightly CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.